Hey folks, this is Keith Gibbons here with Compact Equipment. I am out in the field today in Tucson, Arizona, actually near Tucson at a cool facility called the Rock Real Operations Center. It's a Doosan heavy center here. They bring out equipment for people to operate, dealers, customers, and they've invited us out here, Compact Equipment, to see their new machines, which includes a bunch of new mini excavators. Doosan is a brand, Doosan Heavy specifically, is a brand that's had some changes lately. They were recently bought by Hyundai. So Doosan invited us out to talk about the change, to talk about new machines, and that includes 4 new mini excavators coming to the market next year, which is pretty exciting. It's a beautiful day out here in Tucson. It's 80 degrees. It's December, and I wanted to give readers sort of a feel for what it's like to be at one of these events. So I'm taking some video to share with you guys, but all the details to this cool story you can read below. Okay, let's get to this. Enjoy this video, read the story below. Talk to you soon.